We're heading over to Lake Witten for a little fishing adventure where we ain't never been before. Y'all see what's sitting over in that tree? Got me getting run over. There's a bald eagle right there. Look at that bald eagle, folks. We're heading to Lake Witten for an adventure. That's a good sign. America. Look at those large talons. You're looking at kind of a famous place here called Barks Garden. Better view right down here. A lot of Amish on it and stuff. They was going to build the Biltmore house over here and they couldn't get the property. It's a giant like basin in between, valley between the mountains. Very pretty view. We're heading towards Tazewell to a little lake called Lake Witten. Trying to do a little fishing. We're going on this adventure today. We're coming upon a little community called Frog Level. Yep, that's what I said, Frog Level. Well, we made it to Tazewell on the back of the Dragon. Stretch curvy road, a lot of bikers coming. Right on. Everywhere. We're almost Lake Witten. Man, look sitting there. If I can make you a rat rod out of that. Y'all see sitting over there? Get on them vets. There's a 63 Impala. 1950s vet. Early 60s vet. Oh my goodness. Made the Lake Witten in North Tazewell, Virginia. The really scenic, pretty right over here. Tazewell's a pretty town. I think it's a pretty little lake. Looks like it's a lot of fun to be had. Here, I hope me and the missus can catch a fish. I mean, I know that you know she'll catch something, don't you? Got a boat, right? Good place to yak fish. We get our yaks. East through here. I wanted to fish down there today. Figured out how to get down to the other side of it. Hopefully this road goes on around. Pretty little place. Maybe a big fish in there. You never know. The missus will find out and let you know in a little bit. Little paddle boats over there. Getting a good view of my side mirror. Nice, ain't it? Youngins are fishing, that's what I like to see. They ain't home on a video game or a phone. Man, this is a beautiful little place. Didn't even know it was here. Well, that lake's a little bigger than I thought. Comes on around the bend here. I'll let y'all look through my dirty windshield. I'll clean it one of these days. It's as far as you can go. Oh man. I hope, how in the hell am I going to turn my truck around? Need a football field. I'm going to be doing some backing up, ain't I? I'll get the missus to do it. Porta potties, that's always a good sign. Well, we're gonna do some little fishing here in Lake Witten. I mentioned before, it's in North Tazewell, Virginia. It's a beautiful place. I didn't even know it was here. Kinds of people having fun. Kayaks and rafts, and here comes somebody in a boat to get our spot. Of course, pretty. Come up here and bring some grandkids up here. fellas in the bass boat are heading right to where I'm wanting to fish. This lake's a little bit wider than I thought. I was hoping to cast over under that fallen tree. We'll get back at you here in a minute. I might have something on my pole. Something on there. I forgot I had a worm in the water right here. Hey, look at there. Hee hee. I forgot I even had that line in the water, and daggone chair started moving. I was like, somebody's bumping. I feel like somebody's bumping into my chair. Man, that's a fat bluegill, buddy. Now, crappy, that's what she's after.
Yeah. I think she'll be learning.
Yep. Man, that is a pretty bluegill right there. He's fat, too. Let y'all take another look at this here bluegill. That thing is so pretty. It's eating size. I didn't bring nothing to haul no fish in. I'd take him to the house. First fish at Lake Witten. It's a nice one. Pandora knows me well. We caught one. They're biting. This is a just get up and find an adventure to do day. We've had fun. It's a beautiful place. We'll be back. Good place to relax. I swear almost every song on Pandora has had to do with fishing. They know me. They know my fishing algorithm, don't they? To catch a big catfish up here. Well, we seen a bald eagle. And a lot of pretty scenery come across the mountain. First time I've been to Tazewell since 1994.